In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can find the equation of a tangent to a circle. In a previous video, we looked at how we can calculate the equation of a perpendicular line that I'll link here. We're going to use some of the key facts in that video in order to work out the gradient of our tangent. A radius and a tangent meet at 90 degrees. So if we know the equation of our radius is y is equal to minus 5x, we can see that the radius has a gradient of minus 5. Knowing this, we can now work out the gradient of our perpendicular line. The perpendicular gradient to minus 5 will be a fifth, simply because we learnt that a fifth times minus 5 is equal to negative 1, a key product for having two perpendicular gradients. So now that we know the gradient of our tangent, we need to find the y-intercept. We were given another fact in this question, that the tangent meets the circle at the point minus 10, 50. So when x is equal to negative 10 on my tangent, y will be 50. So knowing this, we can work out the fact that y is equal to a fifth of x plus c, due to the equation of a line always coming in the form of y equals mx plus c. And substituting our coordinate, 50 is equal to a fifth of minus 10 plus c. Well, a fifth of minus 10 is negative 2, plus c is equal to 50. So this leads us to c is 52. The equation of my tangent is then y is equal to a fifth of x plus 52. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question, we know that the radius has an equation y is equal to 5x. Interpreting the key feature of the straight line, we know that the gradient is 5. This means that my tangent gradient will be minus a fifth, simply so that the product of the two gradients is equal to negative 1. We also know that the tangent meets the radius at the point negative 5, negative 25. So knowing that the equation of my tangent will come in the form of y is equal to negative a fifth of x plus c, and substituting in my coordinate negative 25 is equal to negative a fifth times negative 5 plus c. Well, negative a fifth of negative 5 is 1, plus c will equal negative 25, and this leads to c is negative 26. So the equation of my tangent is then negative a fifth of x minus 26.